Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make up to 760% profit on your crypto. So basically what I mean here is, if you don't know how to trade, this is for people that basically don't know how to trade. You don't need any experience in trading to actually get this type of profits. So, and I'm going to be explaining in this video exactly how you can do that. So let me just give you a brief outlook on what this is about. So this is a method called cryptocurrency staking. Let me just explain that. So you get rewards for actually keeping a particular coin in your wallet. So you get paid for holding a particular coin. Let's say I have Brew coin or USDT now, and I need some BNB, so I can just go ahead and stake the USDT coin, and I'll be getting BNB daily from it. So that's just basically it. And there are different percentages you can earn. There are some of 760% profit, there are some of 340%, and there are basically different crypto coins you can actually choose from. So that's one of the great aspects of this. So you get paid for basically just holding the coin, for basically having that coin. You'll be paid for it. So now let me get straight to how you can actually do this. Alright, so if you're someone looking to make money online through websites, cryptocurrency, and applications, just consider smashing that red subscribe button down below and turn on the notifications bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new money making video, so you'll be the first person to make money from it. So basically, just subscribe to join a lifetime of free earning opportunities. Alright, guys, now let's get straight to it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the method I use to make up to 760% interest on my crypto. So before we get straight to it, this is not a financial advice. Anything in this video should not be considered as financial advice. You can go ahead to contact your financial advisor for more financial advice. So all right, now to get started, we actually need some coins. It can be either Bitcoin, BNB, Binance Machine, or USDT. Basically any coin you can swap for, because that's what we're actually going to be inputting, or let me say investing in it. So let's just go to our trust wallet straight. So all right, when you get to your trust wallet, just click on the DAPPS section. So once you get there, if you actually want to exchange your you actually need to exchange your BTC or BNB or USDT to Brew coin. So that's how I will actually make is the coin you will be making money from. So basically, you are getting paid, you are getting your profits by holding just a particular coin in your wallet. It's not compulsory you do any task or do anything. Just by holding the coin, you get interest and you get paid from it. So if you want to swap, get the Brew coin now, because that's the coin that will be getting paid for holding. Just click on exchange, Cafeswap exchange. The link is in the description box and also in the Telegram channel, so you can subscribe to that. So once you get there, just click on this Ethereum logo up here, then change it to smart chain. So once you do that, you should I've connected my wallet before, but you can just click on the connect button that was here before, then click on trust wallet to connect that. So once you connect that, you can actually see here, if you want to transfer, if you want to exchange your coins to Brew, just click on this place and search for Brew there. So as you can see, this is this Brew. So I think I have $9 here, so let's just click on maximum. So I don't think I'm going to be okay, it's not even up to $9, so I don't think I'm going to be staking the I'm not going to be exchanging it for this now, because I've already done that. I already have it in my balance, so I'm not going to be actually exchanging this. I already have Brew. So once you've exchanged your coins for Brew, maybe your USDT for Brew, make sure you exchange it, because that's the coin we'll be getting paid to hold. So you just go back to here, then I'll be dropping all the links in the description box. So the next thing you need to do is to click on this smart vaults link. The link is in the description box and also in the Telegram channel, so you can check that out also. So basically, we're going to be staking our Brew coins to get more rewards. So what that means is that you can stake, and once you have Brew, you can stake it to earn other cryptocurrencies on the Cafeswap platform. So like now, if I have Brew and I want to earn some BNB, I can just stake my Brew and they'll pay me BNB per day for in return for just holding that coin. So that's basically how this thing works. So on some plans, you can earn up to 700% per year, which I'll be going straight to right now. All right, so now let's just need to do is scroll down once you get to the Cafeswap smartphone. So as you can see here, the first one here offers a 748% annual I let me say annual. I've forgotten the meaning of the APY, but it means just it basically means your interest per year. So let me just put it that way. So if you're earning 748 percent interest per year, so you can just calculate that. If you this is not a financial advice, so you can just do it with any of your spare change. If you have any spare change lying around, you can just do it with it. So you earn 0.59% daily, and it's a compound interest. So let's say you have $100 today, and you earn 1% of the $100 today. So that will be $101 tomorrow. So the next 1% will be calculated from the total $101. So your interest just keeps multiplying in an exponential rate. So it's a compound interest. So that's you actually earn. It's not that you just be earning that same 0.5% each day. That same 0.5%. You actually your percentage earnings per day will actually be increasing the longer you keep your coins, you stake your coins for. So as you can see, this one is Brew to BNB. I don't know what the OP means. I'm not really sure about that because I'm not doing this. So you can actually do that if you know what it's for. You can do that if you want to use your brew for that. So there are different plans here. This one is 638%. This one is 342%. So let me actually, without wasting your time, let me go straight to the one I'm doing. The one I'm earning from right now. But I'm not really looking to earn that much from it because it's just spare change that I kept there. So this is the one I'm doing now. So as you can see, I'm not getting any other crypto for staking this brew, but I'm only getting brew. My brew is increasing, so I'm getting more brew for holding this brew coin. So as you can see, I earn 0.43% per day. So when I actually started staking this brew, I had, I think it's 26 brew coins there. So now it has actually increased to 30, and that's around maybe $10. It has got increased in $10 of value, which is much better than just keeping it in keeping the money in my wallet or in my bank accounts, because this one actually increases the value. It actually increases value with your profits. So as you can see, if you want to deposit, once you already have your brew coins, just click on deposit here. So it should show your balance here if you have any brew coins. So you can just click on deposit max or deposit the amount of number you want to deposit. So once you deposit that, it should this, I think, I don't know what it's supposed to display because it's been a while since I've done it, but I think it should, yeah, it's simple to do. So once you click on deposit, it should start counting. So you should see your another percentage. So the wallet balance, it should move, your money should move from your brew coin should move from your wallet balance to your withdrawable balance. So that's when you know it has actually started counting. So once it has started counting, you start earning income per day. As you can see, I started from 26 brew coins, so now it's already in 30 brew coins. So I've already made I think maybe $11 from it by just keeping my brew coins in my in the Cafeswap wallet. So that's just basically it for this video. So if you're liking this video, just give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the video. Sorry, to the channel. So you're also free to check out other offers here if you know. I'm not really sure about all this one. I haven't done my research on all these other offers, but they are legit. But I don't know I don't. I think maybe I'll make another video regarding that. Maybe I'll try to get into another one of them. But basically, the one I'm doing now is this ordinary brew. I'm not getting any other coin. I'm just getting only brew coin. So you can actually do this one. I'm actually sure about this one. But you can contact a financial advisor for any financial advice. But I'm actually doing this one already. So this is what I'm doing, and I'm making money from it. So I'm earning an estimate of 380% profit on my capital, I think, per year. So if you want to earn this 760% profit, so there are other plans for it here. As you can see, this one is 750% APY, and this one is 748% APY. So basically, they are different. So as you can see, I deposited 59.87 blue dollars in value. So now I think what I have in my wallet is around 30.9 bro, which is, I think, quite a lot more. So all right, if you like this video, just make sure you subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching this video. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your questions. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.